Alright guys, in this episode we're going to try to install a flip kit. This is the flip kit. These are the pieces that go on the rear end housing. Get one for each side, and then comes with two of these plates. That's pretty much it. So let's take the rear end out and see what we got to do with this. Alright, so this flip kit sits on the bottom of the axle there, right where your spring perch is. And this one don't sit all the way down. Of course, this is a Curry 9-inch, so these are made for the C10, so it's a little different. But I gotta get it to where it sit all the way down. You can see right here, there's a big gap in there. It's not touching right here. So I'm just going to cut these little ears off right here. Probably go at an angle. And I'll try to get this thing to fit on here. Alright, I got them ears cut off there, both sides there. So now this thing sits all the way down now. This thing still moves. I don't know. I ain't never done this drop kit before, so I don't know nothing about it. So I don't know if it's supposed to do that, but I know on this 10 bolt it does the same thing. But there's some play in it there, so I don't know. I guess we just get it in there and then eyeball the yoke and to where it looks good with the dry shaft. And call her good. It'll be done. Alright, now I'm gonna grab the vacuum and try to vacuum all this metal up where I was grinding. Went up in my wheels, both sides there, so I'll try to get that up real quick. And then I'm gonna put a little paint right around that down. I got this wheel paint. It's just sitting around. But it's gray, it might halfway match that, I don't know. It don't matter. I'm just gonna put a little bit of paint on there so it don't rust up. I guess while we're waiting for the paint to dry on the rear end, we'll try to get these bump stops off. Try to grind these heads off of here. Yeah, I really don't want to grind from up here. It'd probably be the easiest thing, but my gas lines are there. So I probably have to go underneath and hope I don't set this thing on fire. I think what I'm going to try first is just cut a slit right across the rivet there with my cutting wheel on the grinder. Just cut a slit, and then I'll get my chisel and hammer and see if I can break that off. Probably not, but I'm gonna give it a shot anyways. If not, I'll just put my grinding disc on there and we'll just grind it down. Alright, that actually worked. Broke it right off there. So let's go ahead and get the rest of them the same way, I guess. Alright, all that's left is to put the U-bolts back on with these plates that come with it. And they go on the bottom there. Like that. And put the bolts back in it. Alright, we got her on there. So now I'm just gonna take it off the jack stands and see what it looks like. There's my squat truck. Now we need to raise it up in the front. Put a lift on the front. Nah, I'm not doing that. Just kidding. We're gonna put the C notches in, but I might wait. Probably gonna have to wait to do that because I'm gonna have to get new fuel lines so we can redo it over there to get it up and over the C notch. We might wait a little bit on there, but we got plenty of other stuff. I gotta measure this drive shaft so I can get that one lengthened. And we got brake work to do. We got plenty of other stuff to do. Cab mounts and do the front, plenty of stuff. So that can wait until we get. I guess I'm gonna go back to the junkyard and just get a couple more lines and we have to redo that. Yeah, I'm definitely liking this stance. It looks a lot better. Alright guys, we got the flip kit on there. Now obviously we still got a lot more work to do, but one step at a time. I guess that's it for this one. Till next time, see ya.